Check out this GMC 2022 Sierra 1500 Limited AT4. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are preferred equipment Group 4 SP, 3.23 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, 18x8.5 machined aluminum wheels, 20x9 machined aluminum, perforated front leather seat trim, 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar, not equipped with heated ventilated front seats and off-road suspension. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.